Hi guys, IAIS96 here. We have a garage door update. You saw my garage door. I greased the garage door and stuff, but we have a broken spring. I knew this would happen, and it looks like we have an issue right here. It looks like the spring messed up the garage door too, because the garage door is, yeah, you can see right there, the spring is broken. I don't know when this happened, guys. I was in bed. It was raining a lot. We had a lot of severe storms, guys. I don't know. I didn't hear any but we have a broken spring. My garage door opener is a 1265 LM, so we can't open the garage door. I'm going to have to release it because it snapped, because this garage door is going to be very heavy to lift. Let me try to lift it, but this is going to take forever because a torsion spring helps garage doors lift. We need a brand new torsion spring. Back in the day, guys, I actually heard a torsion spring break before. We had this torsion spring for quite a while. It was been original, but we finally had a broken spring in Cedar Rapids. We used to live in Cedar Rapids. I'm in garage door. The thing is, the garage door, oh, what is it? We had two garage doors. We had a big garage door and a little garage door. And I heard the torsion spring break. I heard a big bang. But this is not a double spring. This is not a double spring. It's a sectional spring. So I need to unplug the opener because I don't want any garage door problems. So I'm gonna unplug the garage door opener because I don't want my sister else inside the garage door because we have a broken torsion spring. So what we do is we need, yeah, I got stuff. I need something to stand on. Well, anyway, we have a broken spring, and the garage door, we had a garage door when we replaced the spring, then we moved here, so we have a broken spring. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we need a new torsion spring. So I'll guys let you know about the garage door, that we need a brand new torsion spring. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please comment and subscribe. This never happened before. We had this torsion spring quite a while. We had it for like 8 years, but it has a broken torsion spring. So hope you guys enjoyed.